drive, drive. Move around. Oh, what the hell is this? A, a hover bike by itself driving around. Really weird. For some reason, and like there's nobody in it at all. See, I can ride it if I want to. But then I mess up the glitch. I'm gonna try to get in it. Hold on. Stop moving. Nope, can't get in it. Drive around, yo. Go really far. Holy shit. Where the hell are you? Oh, I see you. Okay, jump. Just jump. Just jump. What the fuck? How the hell you do that? Well, we just found another glitch, guys. See you guys around.